a warrant of arrest. So, you will just have to kill me. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti.
We're just going through the process.
Kaya nga.
Ayaw lagi.
Asa si Bing Bong? Bong! Bong! Bong, halika Bong, tinan mo. Abusado kayo na sila.
Abusado.
Dili mo hindi dapat ato agianan.
Ayaw
Lahi ato
lagi.
agianan. Wala na yung mga...
warrant.
Wala lagi wala. Bong, Bong, just Bing Bong.
Ayaw na.
Ayan o. Masakay tayo lahat dyan.
Ayaw ka magsama kayo dito ay magkaroon ganyan. Lakaw na, ayaw, ikaw ng bata, ayaw sila.
Ha? Yung si Betty. Ano na kayo doon? Oo.
Nahora.
Bata na.
At Lavinia.
By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice.
For detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
People general naman kayo. Alam mo ba na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso kung tinatawag sa kanya ngayon? Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo na. And then, hindi pa kayo na, ano na, ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. Yes. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedure process, here we are, being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano ba naman po, sir? Sir.
There's naman doon, blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least, have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan lang yan. Magkaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.